If there's a tool that every homeowner needs, it's the hammer. And nobody is more opinionated about hammers than a professional carpenter.
If you were looking for a hammer and you're not a professional builder, probably the most common hammer for you would be a 16-ounce claw-handled hammer. It's very good, it's light, you can work with it, it's not hard. I think a lot of people would have trouble picking a hammer like this up initially and hanging a picture with it. This hammer has the solid steel construction on it, which I really like that. You don't have to worry about breaking it off. It's got a long length, it's 16 inches from top to bottom. Smooth face, 22 ounce, which is an easy swing. It won't wear you out throughout the day. Straight claws, it's just a really universal hammer for me. Hammers do wear out, believe it or not. I know most people have them all their lives, but you'll get to where you just slide off the head of a nail with this, and one really good trick is you just take that, lay it on a piece of concrete, and rub it back and forth, and you will, just like sanding that thing, but it will texture it up enough to catch the nail.